I have already finished the back, so we are starting to actually see the pattern here, you see? And now we are going to start with the third row, which is this one here. And on the third row now we have 10 white stitches, and then we have 2 blue stitches, and then we continue with 3 white stitches. So first we are going to take out the sign, and then we have 10 white stitches. Okay, so we are going to do 10 white stitches. 1, and then we go put back the sign. Okay, and we leave the white color, and then we close the last stitch with the blue color. Okay, so now next we have 2 blue stitches. Okay, 1, oops, and 2, and then we close with the white color. And now we have 3 white stitches. And we close with a blue color. Now we have 11 blue stitches. Okay. And 11, and we close with the white color. We close with the white color. Okay, so now we have 3 white stitches. 1, 3, and we close with a blue color, the last stitch. And now we are going to start here, the point. So we have 2 blue stitches. 2. The last stitch we close with the white color, and then we have 1 white stitch, and of course we close with the blue color. And now we have 2 blue stitches. 1, 2, and we close with the white color. And now we have 3 white stitches. With the white color, and then we have here 3 white stitches and 2 blue stitches. So 1, 2, 3. The last one we close with the blue color, and 2 blue stitches. So 1, 2, and we close with the white color. Okay, so next one is going to be 10 white stitches until the end of this side, and then we are going to do the back, which is all white color. So then I will see you here at the 4th row. Okay, so I have finished also the back Okay, now I am at the front, and then we are going to, you can see, as you can see here, now we are going to go to start the fourth row, which is 11 white stitches. Here, and then we will do the 2 blue stitches. Okay, so let me do the 11 white stitches. We take out the sign here, and let's do 11 white stitches. 1, and let's put on the sign because we will need it. Okay, here it starts the front, and then 2, 11, and of course the last one we are going to close with a blue color, and now we have 2 blue stitches. Okay, here 1, 2, and the last one we close with a white color, of course, here, and now we have 3 white stitches. Okay, 1, 3, and the last one, of course, we close with a blue color. And now we have here, we have 9 blue stitches. 1, 8, 9. The last one we close with white color, and we have now 3 white stitches and 2 blue stitches. 1, 2, close with the white, and now we have 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. 1, 'kay. See here? So the pattern is you can see the pattern now, right? Here? Okay, so now the next one here is just 11 white stitches until the end, and then we finish 11 white stitches, and then 3 stitches of the corner, and then we go white all the way back, and then I will see you here, okay, where we start this pattern here. Okay, so I have finished also the back, and now we are going to start the new row. Okay, here so we have to crochet 8 stitches, and then we are going to start here, which is 2 blue stitches. Okay, so let's take out the sign. One, and put the sign back. 2 and 8, and of course the last one, the 8 we are going to close with a blue color, and now we have 2 blue stitches. So let's do 2 blue stitches, 1 and 2, and of course we close with a white color, and then we have 2 white stitches, 2 white stitches, and then 2 blue stitches, and the last one we close with the white color. Okay, so we finished here, and now we have 3 white stitches. We have 3 white stitches, and 1 and 2 and 3 and of course the last stitch we close with the blue color. After the 3 white stitches, now we have 7 blue stitches, okay? 7 blue stitches. It's like a pyramid. 1 and 7, and the last one we close with the white color. Okay, and then after 7 blue stitches we have 3 white stitches and 2 blue stitches. 1, and we close with the white color. Okay, here. So now we have 2 white stitches, 1 blue stitch, 2 white stitches, 1, 2, and we close with the blue, and 1 blue stitch, 1 blue stitch, and we close with the white, of course. Okay, we close with white here. Now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 1, 2 white stitches, we close with the blue, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 1, 2, and we close with the white, of course. And now we have 3 white stitches, now after this we have 8 white stitches to finish this row, and then we have 3 more to do the corner, and then we just go white all the way back, right? So I will do 8 white stitches here, and then I will do the back, and I will meet you here, okay? So I will meet you here. So now I have finished the back, and now we will continue here. So now we have 9 white stitches, and then we have 2 blue stitches. Okay, so let's take out the sign, and from the sign we will have 9 white stitches. 1, and let's put the sign back so we know where it starts, and then okay, 9. So this is the first one. 1, 2, 8, 9, and of course we close with the blue color. Now we have 2 blue stitches, 1 and 2, and of course we close with the white color. Okay, so we have done 9 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. Now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, 2, and of course we are going to close with the white line, and here now we have 3 white stitches and 5 blue stitches. 3 white stitches, 1, 2, 3, and of course we close. Third one we close with the blue color. Now we have 5 blue stitches, 1 and 5. We close with the white. Okay, here. So now we have 3 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. We close with the white. Okay, now we have 2 white stitches, 3 blue stitches. The last one we close with the white color. Okay, so now we have here now we are going to continue with 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. 1, 2, we close. Okay, so now the next one is 9 white stitches here, and then we just do the whole back. Okay, so I will do 9 stitches now, and then the 3 stitches here, so I will do all this all together, and then I will do the back. So when I will arrive at this one, the third here, I will arrive here, I will see you and we continue the next row. Okay,